guys, on my 50th birthday, I got a gift of Bogi from my daughter and husband. Bogi is my new Honda City car. So, today I will share my first maiden ride to Savan Belagola. Now, Savan Belagola is an ancient town and famous for Jain temple of Gometeswara. Here, world's largest monolithic statue of Gometeswara is eye-catching. monolithic मतलब एक ही पत्थर पे बनाया हुआ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. हिस्ट्री में this is even in third or fourth BCE. Chandragupta Maurya did his meditation here after giving his crown to his son. So this town is even having historical religious value and as well as it is having very scenic beauty and it is a perfect gateway for a weekend trip from Bangalore as well as from Mysore. So I am going to enjoy this and please be with me to enjoy this beautiful journey of temple as well as Savan Belagul. And hey guys, if you are new here and still not subscribed my channel, then please show some love and subscribe my channel and like comment. Thank you. Hey guys, so in my first drive from my Honda City, I came here the Bahubali temple. It is a Jain temple and we will see here Bahubali largest statue is there. So it is around 100 kilometer from Mysore. I am coming here first time. So I will show you what is there upstairs. Around 650 steps we have to climb and already you can see my voice is breaking because I was driving so it took 2 hours to drive but drive was so comfortable, amazing. I love my car. This journey of 110 kilometer around that on the single road I completed in 2 hours and I came by my Honda City new car. It's a first drive. Yeah. So trekking shoes are not allowed. If you are coming in noon time, then these steps will be warm or hot. So carry socks. Or else they are selling here, but now this time evening it's cool here, not required. And you can see the opposite view from hill. Except saying this place is not suitable for old age people or wheelchair people. It's no way is there to go by this area. So, and another thing, you can't carry food items here. And water is available on top, but in between, if you need, then you can carry a water bottle and you can carry your medicine. This monolithic statue is really carved very well and it's beautiful and eye-catching. So please visit once and enjoy. view from the top is very beautiful. Now the total time to visit, go and come, it will take around 2 hours. But yes, you can spend more time upside, and you can enjoy this scenic beauty. And after enjoying all that, I am returning back, and because of that's doing a regular gym and taking a good food, I can run even on the step at 50. So hey guys, please maintain your health, and be in good health, and enjoy lots of traveling. Opposite to Vindhyagiri, here is a Chandragiri Dwara. That's a Chandragiri temple there, another side. But 6 o'clock it's the closing time, so it's got closed. So just I came to the gate. And I'm showing you that's another gate here. People are coming, you can see that. But I was not able to go because it's late now. Next time. Okay. Thank you for watching my full video. Please leave a comment if you like it, or at least press the like button. Thank you.